So much.
No problem. So let me interview you. So tell me make, model, and the year of your bike, please.
Okay, so it's a Moto Guzzi. It's a V7 850,
Okay.
and it's like a celebratory issue of the bike celebrating 100 years since.
What year is this
Oh,
bike?
it's 21.
It's 2021.
Yeah.
Tell me, how long you been riding? Is this your first bike? Is it bike number what for you?
Oh gosh, it's probably bike number 20.
Bike number 20? And how long you been riding?
I've been riding a long time, like, 30 plus years.
30 plus years. Okay. Why Moto Guzzi versus a different brand? Did you always had this brand when you?
No, I've had several BM GS's.
Okay.
And in between I had a Kawasaki Vulcan.
Okay.
And then a long time ago I had a V50.
Okay.
A Moto Guzzi 500.
Okay.
Beautiful little bike. And then,
That's when you fell in love with the brand?
Yes.
Is that what it is? Okay.
And then I've waited I've had the other bikes which I loved as well, the GS's. But they stopped making the low frame.
Okay.
And my son wrecked my bike. But anyway, so
have you done anything to the bike since you got it, or was it just like this?
No, just the crash bars.
Okay.
This.
Did you buy it new or used?
New.
Brand new. Okay.
Yeah, brand new.
Anywhere local? Maryland, DC, Virginia?
DC.
In DC?
Yeah.
They have a Moto Guzzi dealership?
Yeah, tiny one.
Okay.
So
Is
now
it the
I
one
go-
that has Aprilia in it?
I think it did.
It does. Okay.
Yeah, I
yeah,
think
yeah.
it did.
Okay. So how's it, since we don't have a lot of places to service, do you just service it yourself, like the oil changes and all that, or do you take it to a shop?
I take it to Kissel's in Pennsylvania.
Oh, you take, okay. So so you're not from this area? Are you, that's closer to you, Pennsylvania?
So I live up west of Baltimore.
Oh, okay.
Like
So,
Columbia area.
oh, okay. So,
And then someone told me
So
about Kissel's.
and are you happy with them?
Oh, very happy. Very
Yes.
happy.
There was another gentleman I met. I interviewed him. He has a BMW, and he bought it from Kizel. He told me
Oh,
to.
I bet that's my friend Gary.
Yeah. He's got a GS1300.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, we're going for breakfast.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
funny.
So
late.
he told me that he really likes the place and all that. You know what I mean?
Oh, which place? Kissel's?
Kissel's,
Oh,
yeah.
they're
So
very
have you?
good.
Is this the first time for you in Bikes and Breakfast?
No,
No?
I'm just late today. I've been a number of times
Yeah.
here. I went to North Beach when they.
Oh, you did?
had
Okay,
the
okay,
inaugural day.
okay.
That was good. And actually, that's. Oh, and
What got you into motorcycles?
when I was very young, like I was about 14, my auntie was visiting from university,
Yeah.
and I grew up in Australia.
Okay.
So she's visiting, and she had a step through,
Yeah.
and her boyfriend had a 250.
Yes.
And she told me to get on it was like a Honda step through.
Yeah.
She said, get on it and take it around. And I did.
Yeah.
And I just that was it. I was hooked.
Oh, really?
I was hooked.
That's how you got hooked onto it?
So as soon as I got a job, I got a real bike.
You got a real bike.
Yes.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. That's it.
Yeah.
You know. Nice meeting you.
Fair
Thank you
enough.
for your
What's your
time.
name?
Addie.
Addie, oh great.
Nice
I'm
to meet you.
Diane.
Nice to meet you, Diane.
Thank you.
You're very welcome.